You write a pet blog, maybe you're a vet clinic content lead, a pet product brand, or a solo blogger trying to grow your traffic, then this blog you're looking at, with images added, infographics, headlines, and even FAQs ready. And the structure, well, it's fully optimized. And I didn't write a single word. This blog was created in under 3 minutes, and with autoblogging.ai, it will save you hours. Let me show you how. So once you log in, on your left panel, you're going to see different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. Today I'm going with wizard because it walks you through all the main settings one by one. No need to remember anything, just follow the steps. Step 1, the article title. Here I'm going to write the ultimate pet care checklist for new pet owners. Alright. See, it has a targeted keywords like pet care and checklist, which tells AI what kind of blog to create. I'm going to pick English, but Autoblogging also supports 30 languages, so if your audience reads in Hindi, French, you can pick here. I'm going with medium because it's perfect if you want a detailed checklist that still feels readable. But here's a quick tip. Short is good for tips and newsletters or a blurbs, and long is in-depth guide or a pillar content. Here I'm going to pick listicle because checklist fits that format, but here's a quick breakdown. Informative is for how-tos or educational breakdowns. Places if you're writing about a pet clinics in a specific city, and service bar landing pages is for sales, so listicle. Here I'm going to pick second person because it should feel like that I'm directly talking to the readers. But here's a quick tip. You can use first person if you're writing a personal storytelling blog, and third person for a more formal and a neutral story guideline. So second. Okay, here I'm going to pick conversational because it keeps the tone friendly and easy. But here's what other styles do. Auto will let AI decide based on your title. Less AI feels words is like more human feeling and fewer robotic phrases. Premium one style is better for SEO formatting. Snippet optimizer is it targets Google featured answers box. Witty is more fun and casual with humor, and professional is for B2B. It's polished and editorial and great for brands. So conversational. Here I'm going to tick in all the 4 boxes. Intent optimize. It enhances keywords clarity and improves the structure of the blog. Add FAQs will find common questions from Google and answer them in your blog. Add AI images will add images like pet photos or a care tips with a alt text, which is very great for SEOs. And add infographics will add simple visuals like feeding charts or a grooming checklist. Now you don't need to type or do anything. The autoblogging will do its job. And SERP analysis. Now this lets autoblogging match what's already ranking on Google. So you just have to enable this, and in the source context box you can direct how you want your article to be, and in the SERP location you can also select the country where you need your article to rank on top. Now here I'm going to tick all the 4 boxes because it's like a magic to your blog. Outline from completion. It matches structure of top ranking blogs on Google. Add external links is it will add related links like a trusted sites like a pet care organization or something. YouTube videos will add relevant tutorial at the end, and key takeaways will add like a summary points at the end of your blog. So this is magic. Now AI proofreading, it's like giving your article one final polish. So you just have to enable this and quickly give a guideline here. Let's say check the grammars or structure or the flow and adjust awkward phrasing or strength length, however you wish your article to be. Internal linking. Now if you already have an other pet articles like on grooming or nutritionist, autoblogging will automatically link to them. You just have to enable this and enter your domain here. Human proofreading. Now this is a real editor reviewing your blog post. You can leave a specific instruction by enabling this, and let's say like check the fact checks or tone tweaks or and a human will manually refine it for you. So you can always use the proofreading credits, which you can purchase anytime from your dashboard. Now generate article, go on the history tab, scroll down and click on the view icon. And here you go, your blog is ready with headlines, with infographics, with images added, with FAQs added at the bottom, and everything that has to be in one blog. Now, if you want to be more quicker next time, here's what you can do. Just go on a single mode, and this is just same as Wizard, but it has fewer steps and same settings but with fewer clicks. Now, if you want to upload 10-50 titles and get all blogs generated together, then you can also use our bulk generate, and it will auto post to WordPress, and it is great for agencies or month-long planning. Now, if you write content in the pet care niche, autoblogging.ai will save you hours. And if you're managing a brand or a content team and don't have time to blog every week, we also offer a done-for-you blog service where we'll write it, format it, and hand it over. Well, if this was helpful, then please like, subscribe, and drop your next topic in the comments.